Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to allow microphone access in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To allow our microphone to be accessed by any application in our phone, we have to go to Settings. Then we're looking for Safety and Security and Privacy option. And under Privacy, we have Microphone Access. As you can see, allow apps to use the microphone if they have the appropriate permissions. By default, this function is turned on. But for whatever reason, if it's turned off, we can enable it from this menu. Right now, every application that has the permission to use our microphone will be able to use it again by simply tapping this box if it, for whatever reason, was unchecked. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.